storage unit for today. Oh! Jackpot!
We are the resellers of YouTube. Our name is Treasure Scavengers. We pick, we flip.
What's going on, Treasure Scavengers? We are back with another storage unit, number 17. We paid $90 for this unit, a total of 111 with buyer's fee. We're gonna find out if we can make some profit back. I'm gonna tell you why we want this unit. Are you ready to get into it?
Yeah, we're good.
I'm ready to get into it.
We're getting into it.
Let's go. All right, guys, let's see what's in here. Rock and roll.
Yeah.
Woo! And there she is in all her glory.
Ooh, I see a really nice mattress.
Yeah, so this is why we went on this unit. All right,
Back there too.
You guys know that we just got a new house. So we're looking for furniture for our guest room. So they had this futon frame right here, which I thought would be perfect for the spare room. And then we got the mattress back here that looks like it's wrapped up.
Really good condition.
And it's a nice one. It's really nice. So I think this is gonna work great for the spare room.
And with these white chairs right here, they got a couple stains, but this stuff looks like it'd be washed off.
But that was the other reason we're gonna put these down in our game room.
Yeah, these look like they'd be washed off.
And then there was some mystery boxes. We got some totes over here. We got some boxes over here.
In the first look is we got a TV.
Yeah, we got a TV down here. It's nice and bubble wrapped. It's like a nice flat screen.
TV up here.
Which also could work in our spare room. I see a Nickelodeon puzzle down here.
There's
this is a Nickelodeon puzzle.
And Rugrats.
So that's a good sign that there's some maybe collector stuff or toys in here.
There's some toys.
So what do you want to do first? All right, let's see what's in this one.
Ooh, there's earrings.
Ooh, we got some brand new earrings. That's always nice. So we don't know much about this unit except for the lady was really nice. The manager had some contact with her just a few days ago, and he said if she would make a payment, he would take it off, the auction, but she never did. So here we are. All right, what you pulling out here?
Ooh, there's some jewelry in there.
There's some more jewelry in there.
Oh, look at that band. That looks like a silver band.
It could be, yeah.
We got some nail press on.
Okay, some brand new nail clip.
This bag is double bag.
This looks like a heater of some sort for your car.
No, your back heater. Yeah.
Is it, or is it for the chair?
It's for a chair. It's a back heater for the chair.
That's some money, but I'd probably use that. See what's in the purse.
Oh, what's in this purse? There's something in here on this side.
Something in there.
Aleve.
Some Aleve.
An empty bottle of Aleve.
All right, go pick another box. Let's see if we can find some other stuff. All paperwork. We'll go through that later. Got a little fuzzy purse. Oh, Hershey Kiss glass. That's cute.
Oh, look at this. NSYNC cards.
Oh, heck yeah.
NSYNC.
A bunch of NSYNC cards. That's awesome.
Oh, and there's backstage passes.
Yeah, I have a bunch of that stuff too in a book like this.
Pretty creepy.
But that's pretty awesome. She's an NSYNC fan like me.
Yeah, there you go. It's an NSYNC book.
What do we got? Pillows. What do they say? Nice, love more. Those are really nice pillows.
Yeah,
that's a couple dollars.
Oh, we got weaves.
Oh, we got a bunch of weaves. That's money. It's weird to sell hair, but you can sell hair, and that's what's in here is
a bag of hair.
A lot of hair. Oh wow, look at all this. All brand new extensions, wigs, all sorts of stuff.
Bag of hair.
Wow. That's a lot of hair. I was wondering what kind of purse this was. See if we can find a brand on here. Just a Target, but overall, it's a really nice purse. Oh, wigs, what do you think?
$10.
$10. You're just gonna put $10 on it?
Yeah, I mean, I don't know how to sell wigs or.
I don't know, but I'm gonna find out.
The pillows, we could probably sell those for a couple dollars. I mean, they're brand new, good shape. Box now, Amber gets to go pick a box.
I'll go pick a box. Oh, we made a couple bucks on that one. All right, I'm going for this one.
You're going for that one?
Yep. Shoes, maybe? No, but a bunch of more jewelry. Look at all that.
I like seeing jewelry.
Yeah, look at all that. A lot of costume jewelry, but costume jewelry sells, and there could be
something real in there.
Real in here. We'll have to take a closer look at all this stuff because there is vintage stuff in here. Look at that ring. That's badass. I mean,
that is pretty badass.
Bad A. Okay.
Okay, so, we see you. Got some jewelry.
What do we got for shoes down here? Those are nice. Skechers, that's a couple blocks. And we got some decorations.
Some home decor. People like wine bottle home decor, or, liquor bottle.
Okay.
And what's that big thing you pulled out right there? What's that thing?
This? It's just a picture.
Just a picture.
Yep.
All right, so some more home decor.
All right, what are you going for? Are you going for?
All right.
You going for another mystery box, or are you gonna show them something that we found already?
I found something really cool.
I found it first.
Okay. Right now, we got brand new product.
Brand new police public box. Not sure exactly, but I know it's a couple
Doctor
bucks.
Who.
Doctor Who. That's a couple bucks.
Doctor Who. It's in the box. Has $19. Bought brand new.
Nice.
Doctor Who.
Got
And
that.
the same one. I seen the Game of Thrones.
Yep. So we got the Game of Thrones. Don't know exactly how much that one will be worth. Box isn't as good, but it's still a couple bucks.
Some more stuff brand new in the box. Doctor Who.
This is more Doctor Who stuff. Heck yeah.
Doctor Who pen.
That's awesome. That's definitely a couple bucks. So, but yeah, we did find some collectibles. We saw right up on top. So we're hoping maybe there's some more in here.
More collectibles in there.
Maybe there's some more in here. We'll see what happens. All right, we got our new furniture out. Got a nice little keyboard down there.
Stocks.
I guess I'm gonna learn how to. Ooh, what are those?
Those are boots.
Wow.
The fur.
Boots with the fur. Are they UGG? We got an Xbox game. Oh snap! Assassin's Creed Odyssey. It is in there with the. There we go.
Everything. There we go. We got
There's
some
a couple bucks.
Assassin.
What's in here? Let's see what's in here. Oh, it's got the board. Please have the glass. Oh, I haven't even been. Oh, that's cool. That's
all the glasses.
That's a couple bucks. I've never seen that before.
Yeah, that's a nice little
Playing
set.
tic-tac-toe with your
Oh
drinks.
yeah, there's a nice
We
couple.
should totally do that.
Hell yeah, tic-tac-toe. When you get hit, take your drink.
You take your drink.
Yep.
That's fun. That's cool.
Pretty cool.
I like that.
$15, $20 right there.
Yeah. We'll look it up, but that's definitely a couple bucks.
New.
Was there anything in there?
Well, the one thing that I
This
see in
clothes,
here,
we got a coffee maker. There's a couple bucks. Cups. Like this, whatever.
It looks like a.
She has some decent clothes, so I'm gonna have to be
Yeah.
look through the clothes and see what can be worth a couple dollars. Oh, look at that, it's a sun hat. Oh, there you go, babe. It's perfect for you.
Woo!
Yeah. All right, ones we can't see in. Let's see what's inside. Come on, something else good. Oh,
yeah.
jackpot! Yes.
Game.
Games, Xbox games. That one's not in there, but that one is.
The first one I grabbed.
That one wasn't.
What the hell? Stop grabbing games.
That
one's
one in there. How come I got all the ones that weren't in there? I got one. There's one in
she
there.
Got one. Yeah. Ooh, good games.
That one's in there.
There's a couple in there.
Couple in there.
There's a couple in there.
They like that Assassin's Creed stuff a lot. Yes. So that's all a couple bucks. Couple bucks. Oh, look at it on here. Look at it on here. Look it. Oh, look at that bag of jewelry. Oh, we're gonna have to go through that piece by piece and see if there's anything real.
Some gold or something real.
Oh, look at, they're so pretty though. You guys, some of the people who buy jewelry on my auction, look at some of this pretty stuff. Oh, we got some good stuff to look at here.
Ooh, what do we got here? Brand new in the package.
What does it say? Queen size. That could go in on the spare room. Yeah. And I think the blanket's down here too. I thought, no, maybe not. I thought I seen it.
Oh, we got little Game of Thrones.
Oh, another little dude.
And some more.
Cha-ching. And some more jewelry. Cha-ching.
What's in this bag?
Collectibles and jewelry. That's what I like to see.
Open tobacco and.
Oh, there we go. It's a brand new kid's toy.
Yeah.
I bet it's in there. Feel it. That's heavy.
Oh, that's extremely heavy.
I bet it's in there. Doesn't even look like it's been open.
No, it hasn't been
Woohoo!
opened yet.
Little kid's toy, cha-ching.
Dinosaur.
Yeah, it blows up and it
Inflatable
splits
dinosaur.
water out of his mouth.
Kids can have an inflatable dinosaur.
Our kids are a little old for that, but...
Yeah, but some other kids can have that.
Oh, we got a makeup set. Some more makeup. Nails, I think. Yeah, fake nails. All right, let's see what's in the other mystery tote.
So that one is promising.
Ah, decor and another tote.
Decor in a box, too.
More decor.
More decor. More bags. Ooh, that's a nice bag.
That is a nice bag. That's a couple bucks.
Yeah.
I gotta see what brand it is, but that's, if it's a good brand, that's a couple bucks.
More wigs.
More wigs. I
hair.
am gonna have to learn how to sell hair. So if anybody knows, And what is this? More jewelry?
Nice, more wig pieces.
More jewelry. Look at that. Those are pretty. Really pretty. All sorts of hair stuff. This is all
Clipper straightener.
couple bucks, whatever.
Clipper straightener.
But I'm gonna have to learn how to sell hair. This is gonna be a brand new adventure for me.
More hair stuff. Or perfume. Yeah,
Dang, look at all these. Just all money. That's makeup. It's like some of these look brand new. Put in car important. Keep close. Uh-oh. What is all this? Paper here. Hey, that's all good for good profit.
Paper.
What would she want to
Paper.
keep?
There's a plug-in.
That's pretty cool. I can use that.
Plug-in unit. Close. Nothing.
What would she want that was important?
Tucker shoes. Right there.
More shoes.
That's important.
That's what's important.
Yep.
Hoping what is important is in this box down here.
No, there's shoes.
More shoes?
More shoes in the box.
Oh, they're brand new.
Yeah.
Those are nice. What brand is that? Just Fab. All right, there we go. That's a couple bucks. Brand new shoes. Guess that's what she wanted to keep close, with brand new shoes. We also got some usage profit with the paper. Is that a computer monitor?
It's a Dell monitor.
I could use that. Nice.
Decent size one.
I bet I could use that. Trade that out for my computer. Or for my, whatever they're called, monitors.
Flashy wallet.
More purses. This is MK. That's Michael Kors, baby. Yes. These are Michael Kors purses. Look, there's a Coach purse. Oh, yes. This is a jackpot. I know you don't like this kind of stuff, babe, but this stuff sells. If this is real Michael Kors and Coach, yeah.
So it's a box full of purses.
Yeah, another
that one
Coach
says
purse. Yes. All right. I'm gonna at least put a 20 on that for sure.
Oh, and they're broken.
They're broken. There's the headphones, but they're broken. So that's a no-go. More purses though.
Garbage bag.
Let's add another Michael Kors. No, it's probably just a Target, but more freaking purses. I guess I'm gonna be
this
listing.
one's cool.
I guess I'll be listing purses too. That is
That
kind
one's
of cool.
really cool. There you go.
Purses and hair, huh? Yeah, there's more Coach in here. There's probably more Michael Kors. There's something in here. Felt like there was something in there. Heavy bag.
There's something in there.
There you go, babe.
Post-its!
You got new Post-its! Woo! Hey, Mike found something for himself.
Post-its.
All right, we got some cool clothes down here. What do we got? Harris. That's really cute.
Sure can.
Dude, those are cool. Dude, if these fit me, Blue Savvy they're called.
Those are super
Dude, if
cool.
if those fit me, that's a me profit.
There you go. Mama got some new pants.
And there's some really cute dresses and stuff in there. I just have to check on the brands and looks like I'm working on girl stuff. Alright guys, last box. Looks like it's gonna be more clothes, but you know what? I can sell clothes. I've been selling clothes. I don't got a problem with
Is
selling.
that clothes or what is that?
Yeah, it's a jacket. It goes this way. Here you go, babe. Got some more big sweaters. What does that say? Johnny Blaze. That's actually kind of cool.
It's a nice sweatshirt.
Yeah. These look like they're all, not all of them, but men's maybe. Some of them.
Some nice high-end sweaters.
Yeah.
Woohoo!
Oh. All right. Listing clothes for Christmas and hair. Who needs hair?
Clothes
for
and
Christmas?
hair.
But we did get jewelry, and we did get Xbox games. We got new furniture for our house, for our guest room, and for our game room.
Yes, we got a lot of cool stuff.
We had a lot of garbage in here, but I still think we did pretty good.
Yeah, and we still go through all that stuff.
Yeah, we haven't even been through all that yet.
Yep, so we gotta load this stuff up and get it on our trailer.
So guys, hope you enjoyed the video. There'll be more comments. Stay tuned. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Turn your notification bell on, so you know when we'll be auctioning every Tuesday, 7 p.m. Central Time. So we'll see you then. All right, bye guys. Peace in. Well, y'all, we got a flat tire. You can see this at the end of the video. So one of the pictures broke and the glass came back and hit the tire. Tire is completely flat. So Mike is going to get a tire plug, and I'm just sitting here waiting with the trailer, and somebody came up to me and wanted to buy something. I sold a purse for $5. Sitting there at the gas station. Works for me. See you guys later.
We are the resellers of YouTube.